All right, court is calling 2024 CR 2208, State of Texas versus Amoya Lewis. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett.
Your Honor, good morning. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Ms. Lewis.
And are you Miss Lewis?
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you pronounce your first name?
Amoya.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group less than 1 gram? It's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you.
What happens when someone gets caught with less than 1 gram of a controlled substance in Texas? For most people, that tiny amount can change their entire future. 27-year-old Amoya Lewis stepped into court expecting the worst: 2 years in jail, thousands in fines, and a permanent felony record. But instead, her case unfolded in a way that no one expected. This isn't just about drugs. It's about second chances, hidden struggles, and whether Amoya can turn her life around.
Will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
We have discussed possible defenses. Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, yes, Judge.
Ms. Lewis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
In September 2024, Amoya Lewis faced a serious charge: possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. To outsiders, that might sound small, but in Texas, it's a state jail felony. The punishment? Up to 2 years behind bars and a fine as high as $10,000. During her hearing, the judge carefully explained the stakes. Every answer Amoya gave was calm and respectful.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine to be probated. The state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and a referral to felony drug court. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
No objection, Judge.
All right, state, you may continue to confer. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty.
But behind that calm voice was someone hoping this courtroom wouldn't decide her future forever. When it came time to enter a plea, Amoya didn't say guilty. Instead, she chose no contest, meaning she wouldn't fight the evidence, but wasn't directly admitting guilt either. This opened the door for a different kind of sentence. The state recommended deferred adjudication, essentially probation. If she completed the conditions, she could avoid a conviction on her record.
The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
In the interest of justice, we would ask so, Judge, so that the TAP evaluation can commence as soon as practical.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Lewis presents herself here. She's been a pleasure to work with, and once we went over the facts of the case and her options, she accepted responsibility and wishes to seek assistance so she can start putting this behind her.
All right, Ms. Lewis, do you have any support system?
Yes, ma'am.
Who would that be?
My godmother.
Okay. And where are your mom, your dad?
Currently in California.
Okay. So how did you end up in San Antonio?
My mom brought me here, and just to finish high school.
Okay. And who did she bring you here to finish high school with?
And just herself.
Okay. Why?
She had just exited the military,
Mhm.
and wanted to.
But those conditions weren't light. A $500 fine, 2 years of supervision, community service, evaluations, and most importantly, a referral to felony drug court. Before locking in her sentence, the judge pressed for more details. Who supported her? Where was her family? Did she have stability in her life? Amoya revealed she mostly relied on her godmother. Her mother had moved her to San Antonio years earlier after leaving the military, but their contact was limited. Her father wasn't in the picture. These questions weren't random.
Wanted to find a place to station, and she was choosing here.
All right. And when's the last time you had contact with your mom?
About sometime last month.
Okay. And have you ever had a mental health diagnosis for anything?
Yes.
What for?
Bipolar disorder.
Anything else?
And psychosis.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No.
How old are you?
27.
How far did you go in school?
High school.
Okay. You graduated?
Yeah.
And have you ever had any employment since high school?
Yeah.
Doing what?
Working at a chicken processing unit.
Okay. All right. So when did you start using drugs?
Just recently. Sometime last month.
All right.
The judge wanted to know if Amoya had the support needed to make probation work, or if she'd face it completely alone. Then came a turning point. The judge asked about mental health history, and Amoya admitted she'd been diagnosed with bipolar disorder and psychosis. That revelation shifted the entire case. This wasn't just about drugs anymore. It was about someone battling two serious challenges at once.
This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That would be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication. A referral to felony drug court while in custody. Because it's Monday, they should be able to get to you this week. And even though, Michael, if you could move out of the line of sight of probation. And even though they may be full, they're about to have a graduation, so there may be some openings, okay?
Okay.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, field visits, 1 time per month until in treatment, TAP evaluation in custody, MIC evaluation.
Substance use and mental illness. The court understood this wasn't a simple crime, but a dual diagnosis situation. That meant Amoya needed more than punishment. She needed structured treatment, therapy, and accountability. And drug court could provide exactly that. The court laid out strict conditions. 2 years of deferred adjudication, random drug tests, monthly check-ins, 90 sober meetings in 90 days, proof of employment,
Out of custody, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. A referral to Center for Healthcare Services. If she's in felony drug court, they'll take care of that. In 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Probation, is there anything, y'all need to get out of the line of sight of probation. All right, probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So both defense counsel and the statement that you've had some criminal trespass issues in the past.
Uh-huh.
If you are homeless, let probation
within 30 days. No jobs involving minors or home health care. Community service hours. Regular therapy. It sounded overwhelming, but these terms were designed to give structure, not destroy her life. The judge warned her clearly. Communication would be key. If she had issues, she must call probation. Silence, excuses, or disappearing would end her second chance immediately. But even after sentencing, one obstacle remained.
know, because they'll be able to give you some resources that can find a place for you to stay. But you cannot be picking up criminal trespasses. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. In this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, pick up the phone, call your probation officer. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to this court, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And in that regard, would the court happen to have a card so I can give to Ms. Lewis?
Oh, probation is going to speak to her.
Okay.
Yes.
We do appreciate the courtesy extended by the court judge.
Oh, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to see you.
Take care, John.
All right. Have a good one.
Here, Ms. Lewis. Thank you.
All right. So this is the case that we're trying to figure out what to do because she was referred to.
Felony drug court initially refused to accept Amoya. The reason? A pending motion related to a violation. Without acceptance, her rehabilitation plan couldn't move forward. In court, both the defense and the state debated what to do. Should they withdraw the motion? Amend the conditions? Finally, they agreed. Withdraw the motion and clear her path. That decision changed everything. With the barriers removed, Amoya could finally step into drug court and begin the program.
Felony drug court, dual diagnosis, and we were recalled for today. So what is the status on that?
Judge, go ahead. Go ahead.
Apologies for interrupting.
Yes.
The state will take into consideration the new number one, alternate main conditions to include felony drug courts. And since the new number one is the only violation allegation, we would withdraw the motion.
All right, but is drug court going to accept her?
Yes, Judge. So she was on the list to be accepted because of the MTR still being active, they wouldn't accept her. So we need to.
All right. Okay. It hasn't come to me. Yeah, I don't have it. All right. Thank you.
So judges just want to make sure you're okay with.
Felony drug court isn't easy. It's strict, demanding, and heavily monitored. But for those who commit, it offers real transformation. The judge reminded Amoya of that and promised to attend her graduation if she completed the program. Few judges make that kind of personal vow, and it showed the level of support she'd receive. This wasn't just punishment, it was an opportunity. But the question remained, would Amoya rise to the challenge?
Just alternate amending the conditions.
Yes, because I wanted her to be in felony drug court. And the last time we were here, June 27th, I wanted her to be referred to felony drug court. And I guess, as you all were saying, felony drug court technically wouldn't accept her because of the new case. Yes, let's do that. So are we going to take it in consideration and withdraw the motion?
That's our understanding, Judge.
Is that correct?
Well, this is a sticky subject because I'm not sure if we can take it into consideration if she's not being sentenced or if
that's
there's
true.
a judgment. So we might call it further investigation.
All right. So
As far as I'm concerned, it's fair because we still need the drug ID report to begin.
all right. So then they'll dismiss it for further investigation and then we'll withdraw the motion.
That works. It's perfect.
All right. Does that work for everyone?
Works for me, Judge.
All right. So felony drug court is a very good program. That's why I wanted you in it, because they'll be able to address
Or fall back into the same patterns that brought her here. Amoya Lewis walked into court-facing prison. She walked out with a second chance. Her story isn't just about drugs. It's about family distance, mental health battles, and whether a system built for punishment can actually deliver healing. Deferred adjudication.
any drug issues and also mental health issues. And communication there is very important as well, They have therapists there that will speak to you and hopefully get you back on track. All right. But the same thing applies. If there's issues and you feel like they're not addressing it, which I highly doubt they won't address them, but if you feel like they're not, you can always come back to me. And once you graduate, I will come to your graduation. All right.
Great. Really good program. We're giving you a lot of help.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Good luck to you. Do you need anything else?
No, just wanted to know when I'm gonna be going to the program.
Oh, well, now that you will be automatically accepted because all of the impediments will be out of the way, they will probably contact you either today or tomorrow. And we're going to send the information to them that your case has been taken care of here. So they'll accept.
And drug court will test her discipline every single day. If she succeeds, she could leave her felony charge behind forever. If not, she risks everything. So what do you think? Do drug courts truly help people change, or just delay the inevitable?
You immediately.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Good luck.
Judge?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Stories like Amoya's show how one decision in court can completely change a life. But what do you think? Do programs like drug court actually give people a second chance, or are they just a temporary fix? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this case as eye-opening as I did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more real courtroom stories, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one.